Yes, what is the final thought of Meditations in Westminster Abbey? Just to sum up, Addison visited the graveyard. He first read what was inscribed on the tombs. He says most of the tombs had only the date of birth and the date of death, as if life was limited to just these two events. He then indulged himself in digging a grave, and when uh, different kinds of bones came out with the shovels of earth which he dug, he felt that, see, why are that death levels all, and there can be no distinctions in death. Men, women, priests, soldiers, all kinds of people are buried together, even kings and paupers sometimes. Yes. Then there are more serious thoughts about the kinds of epitaphs and kinds of monuments which should be there to represent a particular country, and what impression do they make upon visitors, upon foreigners. And then the writer becomes all the more serious, and he says that he doesn't want to discuss more things or talk about kings anymore. But then there are some thoughts which come to his mind, that why do we indulge in petty squabbles instead of indulging in something serious, when the ultimate end of every being on earth is death. He makes this last statement where he says that the graves of those who died a few days back and the graves of those who died some 600 years ago may all be to be one and the same thing. Why? Because, as is believed in Christianity, that on the great judgment day, they will all appear together and finally become contemporaries. So, his final thought is that on the great judgment day, we will all make an appearance together, hence become contemporaries. एडिसन जब उन डेट्स को देखते हैं जो ग्रेव्स पर लिखे हुए हैं, कुछ के तो बहुत कुछ दिन पहले के डेट्स हैं और कुछ के कुछ 600 इयर्स पहले के डेट्स हैं, तो फाइनली एडिसन इस निष्कर्ष पर पहुंचते हैं कि वो जजमेंट डे, वो ग्रेट जजमेंट डे आएगा जब सभी लोग जो बेरीड हैं और सभी लोग उठ के एक साथ एक अपीयरेंस करेंगे और कंटेम्पररीज साथी कहलाएंगे, क्योंकि क्रिश्चियनिटी में ये मत है कि एक फाइनल डे ऑफ जजमेंट आएगा जिसमें कि सभी अब तक के जो डेड हैं वो सब एक साथ उठ के खड़े होंगे। उसके बाद डिसाइड होगा कि वो कैसा रहा है, उसकी वो जीवन कैसा रहा है, उसके आधार पर उसको उसके कर्म का फल मिलेगा।